Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this week, two central banks forecast to cut the rate. European Central Bank and Bank of Canada forecast to cut the rates in 25 bps. How to trade with these two central banks cut off the rates? So my Telegram link is below. You can join with and get the more profit from the trading. So European Central Bank ECB is forecast to cut the rates in 25 bps now in 4.5 interest rates, and forecast to cut the 25 interest rates 25 bps rate cut to 4.25. So that is help to that's a euro sell off in this cuts rates forecast, and there's a trade opportunity with the euro. I am hoping euro will sell off this cut the rate forecast 25 bps European Central Bank. So European Union now 2.3% is the inflation. Inflation drop is the reason for cut off rate forecast. So euro New Zealand dollar I am hoping for you have a sell trade with the euro sell off against New Zealand dollar. New Zealand Central Bank currently in 5.5 interest rate. This is the sell opportunity. This is my forecast. Do your own analysis as well. So I am giving this with the rate cut European Central Bank ECB regarding euro. So that's the next central bank is the Bank of Canada. Bank of Canada BOC is the 5% is the current interest rates that they forecast to cut the rates 25 bps 5% to 4.75. So Canadian dollar will sell off this the rate cut forecast I am hoping. So Canadian inflation also dropped to the 2.6% as that is the reason for to BOC to go into this rate cutoff. So 25 bps rate cutoff forecast BOC in this week. With this rate cutoff I am hoping CAD will sell off with the interest rate cutoff 25 bps. So you have a trade opportunities with this rate cutoff in the Canadian dollar. So I am hoping US dollar is the currently demand because of there are no rate cut forecast in the inflation is too high 3.4% American Central Bank. So I am hoping dollar against Canadian dollar sell off. So CAD against dollar demand. So USD CAD I hope to buy trade you have with the CAD BOC rate cut forecast in this year in this week. So there's a buy opportunity USD CAD against dollar demand. That is the reason CAD 25 bps rate cut forecast. So that is the another trade opportunity. There's a market has so many trade opportunities with these central banks rate cutoff rate post. That is the what is doing with central banks. Do your technical analysis also with get these trade opportunities as well. So that's the two central banks European Central Banks and the Canadian dollar CAD Bank of Canada. Two central bank forecast to cut off the rate 25 bps. So get the trade with the smaller time frame confirmation. Risk management is the money management is the key for trading. So thank you very much.